Hi friends, Marley here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be harvesting all of these potatoes that are left in this raised bed. We have been eating from these potatoes for a month already. Most of the plants have died off, which means that it is time to harvest everything. So we're gonna see if there are some that are left in here. I'm not really sure because I have been digging potatoes from this bed every day in the month of June. But I'm gonna show you how many pieces of potatoes are left here in this ground. First thing we're gonna do is to move this drip irrigation tubing aside so it'll be out of the way. This is just one strand that I coiled around this raised bed. So we'll just put this on this end so we don't accidentally hit the tube with our garden fork. I'm gonna start digging from this end. So here we have this plant that's almost dead. Let's see if we can find some potatoes from this. They're probably not that big already because we already got the big ones, but who knows. This is one of the most productive raised beds that I have in my garden this time of the year because I have not bought potatoes from the store in the month of June. Ooh, okay, so that one's just the plant. Let's see if we still have some in here. But yeah, few weeks ago I got some big ones from this plant as well. Okay, I think that's all that was in here. Two medium and two small potatoes. And then let's go over here. If you can see this is the one that we're digging. Oops. Yeah, this is a smaller plant. So, okay, there's a medium potato. There's another medium potato and a small one. So I got 3 from here. Oh, look at that. There's an earthworm in it. Okay, now this little one, I got a lot from this as well. I actually dug a lot of potatoes from this raised bed. Just imagine, we eat potatoes almost every day and the potatoes came from this bed. Now this is a little bit smaller. Oh, there's actually a big one. I probably missed this when I was digging for dinner at one time because it's a good sized potato. And then there's a few baby potatoes. These baby potatoes are very yummy. Oh, I think I dropped one of them somewhere. Okay, not bad at all. You don't have to cure this. You can eat newly harvested potatoes. Actually, I like the taste of the newly harvested potatoes better. Alright, let's move on to the next plant. I'm just gonna scoot this wood chips or pine shavings. Okay, so next plant is this. Now the plant is a lot bigger than the first two, but I also already harvested a lot from this plant. So let's see how many of them are left underneath it. So during the planting season, wow, that's actually not bad at all. During the planting season, what I do is I dig around the plant, and if I find potatoes, I harvest them. I get like 2 or 3 just whatever we need for a meal. And then I leave the small ones in the ground and then come back to harvest them when they're bigger. Actually, this one has a lot of baby potatoes. It's a shame that the plant has died off already, so they can't grow bigger anymore. Oh my gosh! I did not expect this. Look at that! This is probably one of those that I missed while I was digging in here a couple of weeks ago. Wow! That was a good surprise right there. Oops, there's a little one. Let's get all of them. This plant's completely dead. So let's see if there's anything left in here that I missed while harvesting for lunch or dinner a few days ago. Oh, this is a red potato, guys. Oh, wow! Look at that. This is a good sized potato. Let's see if there's anything else. I got a lot from that plant. Oops, here's another one. Nice. Next plant. This, my guess, is also a red potato. Not sure about that. Oh, there's one on top. Wow, not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna put the bucket in here. You can see that. Let's see this. Potato. Ooh, another good sized potato, guys. Next plant, guys. I'm not sure if I can get any from this. Since it's in the corner, I probably dug from this a lot of times. I can't count how many. Ooh, I think I'm seeing some red ones. Wow! I did not expect this actually. And the reason for that is because I thought I got most of the big ones, but I was wrong. Two big ones, and then there are some tiny red potatoes as well. Alright, so let's put them here. Get the little ones. Now usually with this harvest, like if I harvest all of them, I usually eat the smaller potatoes first. Whoops! Here's another giant potato. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I eat the smaller potatoes first. So guys, we have a few plants left that we're gonna dig. So bear with me. I know this is really exciting, because I don't know if I can get any potatoes since I already got a lot. But anyway, is there anything left in here? There's a tiny one. Now these potatoes have blight, but I don't really do anything to them anymore because it's the end of the season for this batch of potatoes. So whenever it's almost harvest time for my potatoes and I see blight showing up, I just dig the potatoes and then I put the affected plants in the burn pile. I don't put them in my compost. Okay, small one for that. Let's check it one more time. Okay, let's move on to the next plant. This is gonna be the next one we're doing. It's only July 3rd today, so there's still plenty of time. I'm gonna do succession planting. This bed will be planted with green beans. I just received my order of, I think, 13 packets of green beans. I'll probably not plant all of those, but we'll see. But they only take, I think green beans only take like, I don't know, 70 days to mature. So that would be a little bit over 2 months. So July, August, the harvest will be September. Whoa! Wow! Look at this. Beautiful. Let's get another one. Oh, this one's on top too. Not bad. Alright guys. We have... Oh, I feel like I hit something. Oh, wow! Now, these are smaller, but not bad at all. See that? And I see some... Look, it's 4. Let's get our bucket. Ooh. And then there's a few more that's left in here. You should try the fresh baby potatoes. Boil them, put salt and pepper. Oh, it's so yummy. Yeah, simple, very simple dish, guys. Now this little one here has, I think that's fine, but the other one is green. Now if the potato is green, it's toxic. I'm gonna show you this one here. Some of the potatoes will have fruits, and don't eat the fruits because the fruits are poison. So yeah, this one, just discard the fruit of the potato. The only thing you eat is the root. And you don't eat the stems either, or the leaves. Oops! It's not like the sweet potatoes. Okay, we have some more little potatoes in the ground. Oh, lots of baby potatoes here. Oh my gosh. Oh! They keep on showing up. There's another big one. I thought I was done. Okay. Oh, I was gonna stop, but there's another one. That's funny. Okay, I think that's it. I mean, if there's anything that I left in here, it will just grow again. Alright guys, I didn't expect to get a lot from the previous one. This one probably not that much. It looks like it's a smaller plant. And I've gotten a lot from this plant as well. So, woohoo! Oh wow! Okay, not bad, not bad. I mean, medium-sized potatoes from here and some smaller ones. And a bunch of baby potatoes. Okay, that one's not bad. Oh, this is so tiny. Let's pick up that tiny one. We're gonna wash that and throw that in a cooking pot. So plants to go. Oh, I think I hit something. Oh, this is a red potato, guys. I kind of remember where I put the red and the brown ones, but yeah, that's why it's a pleasant surprise when you dig them and then you realize what color it is. Ooh, wow! Nice size. Okay, not bad at all. Let's see if we have some other potatoes here that we missed. And really, these potatoes were the potatoes that I bought from the grocery store. They sprouted in my pantry, so I planted them. It's a win-win. They made more potatoes for me. In my area, a 3-pound bag of potatoes already costs at least $5. I know it's getting ridiculous. Like in the past, I wouldn't really use a lot of space in my garden for potatoes because potatoes were very cheap, like $1.99 for the big bags. But now, $5 to $6 for a smaller bag of potatoes is actually a lot for me. So not spending anything on the potatoes for a month is really a big thing because we eat a lot of potatoes. Now we have some other areas in my garden that are planted with potatoes, so we're good. Now this will last us for a few, no, not a few days, probably a couple of weeks. But I will be on a vacation for 2 weeks, so most of these big ones will be waiting for me. So I imagine we will have potatoes to eat until late fall because we have another 8x4 raised bed with potatoes, and then we also have some potatoes planted in the ground and in containers. Guys, this is so exciting. Look at all of these potatoes that we got today. Wow, some big ones and the baby potatoes that are so yummy. So this is actually not bad. Another couple of weeks we can get from this, because these are big. Look at that. Now there are 4 of us in the family, 2 adults and 2 kids. The kids don't really eat much potatoes yet, just the adults. I'm gonna put these potatoes back in my bucket and head back to my house because it's time to fix some dinner. I'm gonna boil some of these baby potatoes for tonight. That's gonna be all. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.